Hey, it's Chris from Hale Guitar Studio, welcome. Today we're showcasing this Ibanez RG 370B. I've got one of these guitars and years ago I swapped the pickups out for a set of bare knuckle Warpigs, lovely pickups. And sure enough this one's going to have some Seymour Duncans put in it. New controls, new switch, full service and setup, get it playing like a demon. It's a lovely guitar and if you like it don't forget to sweep pick that like button, show the owner your appreciation. Let's get cracking. So I'm going to start by loosening the claw. Which means that as I lower the tension on the strings, the whole trem doesn't collapse in on itself. That's it. And that's out. And there's one more on. These strings are being replaced with a set of Beefy slinky. For now, I'm just gonna, I'm gonna pop this string retaining bar off as well, because the whole guitar is getting a good clean. That's it. And then I can take the last spring off. So now we're going to take a couple of cloths and some guitar cleaner. some tarnishing just around the edges here where it's been played heavily. And a bit of a polish will really make them feel and look better than new. At this stage I'm really just removing any of the build up on the side of the fret material. Get into the edges. there we have it. One guitar with new Seymour Duncan pickups, all set up nicely. New 11 to 54 Beefy slinky strings, all set up nicely. A nice level floating trem, beautifully polished, fret polished throughout. Oh, there you go, that's good. Looking like new again. Fantastic. Thanks for watching.